I just bought a whole bunch of stuff off of SHEIN and I'm really excited to share with you my shopping haul. So the first item that I bought is this huge, chunky, noisy, colorful flower necklace. Just look at these details. So magnificent. I love it. It comes on a golden link chain that is adjustable and it was only $7. It's called a braided flower necklace, European and American fashion resin flower necklace for women, and I will link it down below. The second item that I bought is this butter yellow cami. It's just so cute. It has ruffles and it is 100% cotton and it comes with adjustable straps. That one was only $11 and it is called the Lucy V Women's V-neck ruffled camisole top white polka dot summer. And it also comes in white and navy. And so you best believe I will be making another order very shortly. So now you're gonna have to give me 1 second for me to change and show you what I got next. I got myself a dress to match my flower necklace. So it is a pink plaid mini dress with cute little ruffles and a smocked bodice. And I really like it. It's not too short, it's flowy, it's very comfortable and stretchy. It is sleeveless, and yeah, I really like it. It was only $11. It is called the Sunny Chic Women's Pink Plaid Sleeveless Mini Dress Summer Casual Beach. And it comes in a whole bunch of colors, and I liked it so much that I also got it in blue. So just give me a second and I'll show you. Cute, cute, adorable. I love it. It is the exact same dress, but in baby blue plaid with little cherries. It is just so adorable. I love it so much. It runs true to size and the cherries are just so cute. I've got cherries all over the dress. I am so in love. I love it so much. I mean, I am going to wear it everywhere. It is stretchy, it is comfortable, it does run true to size. However, this one was a little more expensive. It was about $20. And it's called the Sunny Chic Women's Casual Vacation Fashion Versatile Outdoor Cherry Plaid Fabric Layered Ruffle Trim Waist Sleeveless Short Summer Dress. I mean, yeah, quite a mouthful, but look how adorable it is. It is just so stunning. I mean, yes. Yes, I'm really feeling it. The cherries, maybe I haven't mentioned them enough. The cherries are the biggest selling point. I love them. I love this dress. I just want to wear it everywhere, all the time. All right, give me a second and I'll show you something else. I love it. I'm in love. I love this dress. It is a 100% cotton butter yellow dress. It is a midi dress. So the difference between a midi dress and a maxi dress, I actually had to Google it, but the main difference between a midi dress and a maxi dress is the hemline. A midi dress ends mid-calf between the knee and the ankle, while a maxi dress extends all the way down to the ankle or grazes the floor. So I guess if you are under 5 feet tall, this would be a maxi dress for you. But if you're over 5'4", that would be a midi dress for you. But the good news is this could be a midi dress for anybody. All you have to do is cut it trim it, hem it, run it through the sewing machine, and then poof, it becomes a mini dress. So this could be anything you want. The world is your oyster. You could dress it up, you know, put some heels on, and then it becomes a fancy wedding guest gown. Or you could dress it down and wear some flip-flops, go to the beach, run through the grass. And it has some adjustable straps. So, I mean, all in all, it is just so cute. And I guess you could even tighten it here, but it wouldn't make much of a difference. This dress was $21, and it's called SHEIN Mod Summer Cute Frill Trim Tie Front Cami Dress Wedding Guest Dress. And it is extremely popular because it has over 1,000 reviews and a rating of 4.83 out of 5. So this makes it an exceptional dress. I mean, look at it. It could work for any occasion. Weddings, cocktail parties, going to the beach, going to the picnic, running errands. Like for $21, just buy 2 of those. One that you cut and one that you leave it full length. For $21, it is so versatile. The possibilities are endless. If you have a sewing machine, this is a great canvas, I would say, because you could customize it and modify it and make it any way you want. I just love it. Love it, love it, love it. I am keeping it. I feel like a princess. I might even get a second one and cut it. I don't know. The sky is the limit. Who knows? I probably will. I'm definitely placing another order with SHEIN. So, yeah. Stunning. Okay, let's see the next item. I feel like a Disney princess. Look how cute it is. I feel like Cinderella. And Cinderella had a blue dress, not white, okay? It is amazing. The material is polyester. The straps are adjustable. It is a midi dress. It has beautiful ruffles on the side, and it has strings in the back for you to cinch it. But I didn't really need to because it was tight enough. But look at the volume. Look at the volume. Twirl, 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 twirl. Wow, just stunning. It's perfect for a wedding guest dress. And imagine with some high heels, how gorgeous that would be. I love it. It's just so perfect. And it comes in several colors. It comes in yellow, pink, black, baby blue, and red. And it is only $22. It is by a company called CTF. And it is the number 6 bestseller in pleated women dresses. It has over 500 reviews and a rating of 4.77. Gorgeous. Look at this. Look at the volume. Look how big it is. Wow, amazing. So if you just give me 1 second, I'll show you the version in red as well. All right, I'll see you in a bit. Same dress, different color. What a huge difference. What a huge difference does it make? So this one also, you could cinch it in the back, but I really don't need to cinch it. It's tight enough. But look at the difference. Look at the difference. This one is no princess. This is, I'm gonna come and get you type of thing. Wow. But twirl, 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 twirl again. Beautiful, beautiful midi dress. I would need some really cool heels for that. But yeah, wow. I mean, if you are a wedding guest in this dress, you will definitely be the center of attention, and you won't even need to be wearing white. But yeah, I love it. This is perfect for Valentine's Day, or any celebration. I mean, wow. Cute. And by the way, these dresses, none of these dresses were lined, but no need. No need. There's enough volume. Oh my God, imagine if I wore a petticoat underneath. Princess. Cute. Cute, adorable. Lots of volume. I just love it. This is a dress for a heartbreaker, I would feel. And if you cut it, like, just cut it right here, trim it, hem it, put it through the sewing machine. Yes, magnificent, lovely cocktail party dress. Wow. Just stunning and gorgeous. Okay, one last dress, and then that's it. I found another cute dress. It is a 100% cotton butter yellow dress. It is absolutely stunning. Twirl, twirl, twirl. It has really cute ruffles and adjustable straps. And it comes in so many colors. It comes in black, blush, teal, pink, and butter yellow, and it was only $24. So for $24, you best believe I am also getting it in blush, even though I have so many pink dresses, because who cares? So this dress, you could either dress it up and wear some heels or just walk bare feet, you know, touch some grass. And it has over 100 reviews and a rating of 4.73 out of 5. And it is called the Sunny Chic Spaghetti Strap Cutout Cotton Elegant Dress for Women. So yeah, isn't it adorable? And the best part is that there's more coming because I placed another order. So I would love for you to subscribe, like, share, comment on this video, and make sure not to miss the next video because I am so excited to show you what's next. So twirl, 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 and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.